So hey guys, good morning everyone, and I am now right now there or here. Actually, I am Ivan. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Guys, please help me to grow my channel. And actually, I just want to give you some not what I kwento for today. We can leave this world without anything else. Less stress, less problem. Although sometimes na dito na to may iwasan na adyo ko agi may ana nga tough problem nga grabe jud kayo no. So at the end ato gyapon siyang malakbasan even kung bisag kung sa kabugat na siya ng problema. What should be the lesson? Someone na, oy, thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Love you all.